Really? What are y'all doing? What were y'all watching? And so quietly. I'm surprised. So what y'all finna do? Are y'all gonna watch a movie? No. Not talking.
I can't wait no more. Sick of trying, that's why I'm always smiling.
Hi, Mama.
Hi. So what have you guys been doing this time?
We made a TikTok.
Y'all made a TikTok? What were y'all TikToking?
I'll show you.
Yeah, I remember y'all used to share this room for a little while.
Yeah, I remember we used to share this room, and I used to have my bed right here, and his crib used to be right there. And he used to give me a kiss before I went to school.
And I moved out. I was forced.
You moved it?
I was forced to have kisses.
You moved out?
I moved out.
Like you had a choice.
Right.
You got kicked out, sweetie. It was time for you to go. You got the boot.
It was my option. I decided to leave.
You decided.
I couldn't take it no more.
You decided at 3 years old to leave.
Yes. That's how smart I am.
Right.
Oh, when Jordan got his other room downstairs, then you moved
Jordan
it
had
next
the-
door.
Jordan had the spot.
I told Jordan to move.
You told Jordan to
So
move.
I could move to my room. Thank you.
Oh, Lord.
You could barely say I need to go potty, but you told Jordan to leave.
Yes.
Make it make sense, sweetie.
Again, flowing marital issues, flowing financial issues, flowing health issues, flowing personal issues, issue after issue after issue. But here's your shout this morning. Wherever you got to deal with, wherever you got to push through it. Trust God. Know that somehow, some way, God will turn that thing around. Knowing somehow, some way, God will give you a breakthrough. Knowing somehow, some way, God will make a way out of no way. Keep pushing your way through.
Get my hand. We had church up in here. Let's say we got 1, 2. We got about 10 folk up in here. So we're gonna go home. Listen, tune in Wednesday at 12 o'clock. I'm going live with Bible class. And she's gonna come down front and she's gonna explain, we're gonna start this picture thing. And what it is you send
pictures of the members in the pew. So yes, if you would send me a picture through text, or if you would send it to my email address, they'd be printing off pictures and I will be placing them on the pews. So
Someone is cooking. Someone is cooking other than me. I'm so happy. Oh, gotta get some oil in that skillet. So it is Monday evening, and I made a new meal today, and it came out really good. It's a one-pot meal. This is not spaghetti. It's not spaghetti, but it is so good. So I didn't want to film it, and then it didn't come out good. So I'm going to make it again, probably next week or so. And I will film it, you know, put it together and as a tutorial, and I'll let you all know how to make it. It is really good. So this is the painted area that is finished now that Chris and Isaiah were working on. They're going to put his shelf up. They took one shelf down and they're going to put Isaiah a new shelf up here. So it came out pretty good. Came out pretty good. So Isaiah did most of the work, as I understand. So Chris taught him how to sand it down, I think put mud on it, I don't know all the terminology, but and then repaint it. So it looks pretty good. So they're going to put another shelf up there to replace the one that came down. So that's Isaiah's new shelf. He wanted to put some other things on there other than his trophies. He bought these Reese's Puffs. It's supposed to be a collector's item, something with Travis Scott on it. And he has this, you know, some school items, and then a collector's item from the Reds. And then he has his trophies and different things like that on his desk. It's delicious. The color isn't the prettiest, but this is delicious. Hey Tracie's Place fam, it is Tuesday evening, and I wish I had time to film this recipe for you guys, but I was in a rush. I made black-eyed peas in my power pressure cooker, and I have tasted them. They are delicious. They are delicious. And also I have the microwave rice going here. I'm about to put the cornbread in the oven, and yes, I use Jiffy. I am not ashamed to say Jiffy is my friend. So, yeah, putting that in the oven. This is turkey smoked sausage chopped up. It's going in with the black-eyed peas. So we have black-eyed peas and smoked sausage over rice. And then we have some carrots, and they're going to be sweet carrots. They'll have honey on them and a little salt. I don't think I'm going to put pepper on them, but we'll have some carrots on the side. And that will be our dish for today, or that will be our dinner for today.
Take it easy. Just breathe. You want me to breathe? You want me to relax? The chances of me dying during a routine traffic stop are greater than I don't even know.
Friday evening. It's Friday evening, y'all, and this is what hubby's having, like some turkey, ground turkey quesadillas, kind of like they have tomato, onion, and cheese. We're having burgers, and I toasted this bread on the Chef Chamois garlic butter. So it has garlic butter taste on there. And we have some tomatoes on the side. And this is onions and cheese on the burger. And some sweet potato fries.